How do I get into doing this effectively? A very, very good question. And I really do think that's a good question because think about it. This person has added in another layer. They want to do it effectively. In other words, they don't want to waste their time. They don't want to have headaches. They don't want to build bad habits. They want to do this whole trading thing effectively, and that is a great question. So what I want to do here is walk you through how you can get started, how you can go about this effectively, and what I have to offer you to assist you in this process. Now, the first thing that I would tell you to do this effectively is to go and just start to build a good solid foundation, which you can do at my site. I'll put a link down below. And more specifically, you want to be focused in the Trading 101 section of the site there. And to take that even another line, let's go down to the bottom and then let's click on page number 9, because this is where you're going to get truly the basics of things. How does the stock market work? What is shorting? What is the stock market? What is a day trade? How to buy stocks? How much money do I need to trade? All those sorts of very basic concepts you're going to be given, again, completely free. These are absolutely free videos, and you'll just want to go and find those in the Trading 101 section of my site. And this is on the blog section of the site, all free videos. And you're going to want to find that. And then again, go to page number 9, or whenever you're watching this, the earliest of the pages. So this page might actually ultimately be 10, 11, 12, but just go to the oldest one. But also on that note, I want to just give full transparency that there is no structure to these videos. They're in various orders. What are the stock market, to what is a reverse split, to what is, so there's no necessarily coherence in terms of, okay, let's talk about this, and then this, and this, and this. So yes, they are helpful. Yes, they will give you those basic concepts, those general ideas that you certainly need to understand in order to continue to learn more and more and then build a consistent strategy. But they're still not going to be, the best way to go about it, because again, there's a lack of structure. But I do also something that gives complete structure, which, can also help you out. And what I offer is called the Trade Freedom Pathway. And I'm not going to sit here and do everything and walk through everything, because you can already do that right here. I offer a tour video where you can see a behind the scenes of everything that is offered as part of it. And there are all sorts of stuff that comes with it. So if you want to learn more about more so the structured way to go about this, which I would definitely argue is the most effective way to go about this, structure, having clarity, having good information, then consider the Trade Freedom Pathway, which again, you can take the tour. I'll put a link down below so you can go right to that page and see what it's all about. Or maybe you're someone that's saying, no, Clay, I think you're a total scumbag. I'm not going to pay you a single dime. Fine. But the effective way to still go about this would be, you got to learn the basics. Then you got to learn how to find good information. You've got to learn how to structure that good information, in the proper order. Because if you learn about good information in illogical order, it may still be good information, but because of the order you're learning it in, it's just going to become confusing and overwhelming. But you got to find the good information, organize it good information in the right order, and then you've got to take all of that and start to apply it to the proper areas of the market in terms of whether that's stocks, options, forex, futures. So that's what you have to do. That's how you're going to effectively go for it there, which I would argue is not very effectively. That's a big pain, but that's ultimately the best way to go about it, is you got to pick either of those routes. Learn the basics and then go on and either kind of figure out how to structure things on your own, or you can, pay up a little bit for that structure. But that's how I would do it effectively. And the only reason I'm talking about my stuff is because that's the only stuff I can really talk about. If you like somebody else's content, if you like somebody else's, offerings, then cool, go with them. You got to go with who you feel comfortable with whose teaching style you feel as though you can learn from. So I'm not saying that it's got to be my structured content, that it's got to be my services that I offer. But what I am appealing to is, if you want to do this effectively, then you're going to want structure. Do you have to go and pay for the ultimate basics? No, that's why I've given you a free route, which I can offer with those free videos that I talked about. So I don't want this to all be just buy my stuff. I give nothing for free. No, I give a lot of stuff away for free. So at least go and learn the basics for free, which you can do at the link down below. But once you get beyond the basics, that's where you're really going to start to need structure. Whether it's my structure or somebody else's structure, please realize there is value in just having everything organized. First learn about this, then learn about this, and then learn about that, as opposed to you just got to go out there and kind of make it up as you go and hope that you're learning from a good information source, but not actually knowing. So that's how I would say you go about things effectively. And this is coming from somebody that did not go the structured route. And wow, there was a lot of lost money that could have been avoided had I just known what I should have known. So sometimes there can be profit in just knowing what to avoid. And when you avoid certain things, you're not going to lose money. And a penny saved is a penny earned. So in kind of a roundabout way, that is still a way to be profitable by just avoiding things that you should be avoiding. But first, you got to know to avoid those things. So that's how I would go about it. But great question. How do I go about this effectively? At the core, I would go about it effectively by learning about the absolute basics for free and then investing into some good quality structured content. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.